You leave Albania and you set out on the road to Pristina, the capital of Kosovo. Along the way, the scenery is beautiful. The green of the mountains, the sunset, even the human constructions. Cross the border without much hurry. Now you are in Kosovo. Your passport does not get stamped. That's because Kosovo is only a partially recognized state. Even Mexico does not recognize it as a country. You arrive at sunset. Walk to your hostel and soon notice the love that Kosovo expresses towards the United States, a country that supported its independence from Serbia in 2008. You sleep early to go out to see the city at dawn. Unfortunately, many of the places to visit are closed, and even part of the ethnographic museum remains closed. What little is open is interesting. The museum is a complex consisting of a garden and two completely preserved Ottoman period houses. They have a kitchen, a bedroom, a place to receive visitors, and a bathroom. The doors are covered for thermal and sound isolation. While the kitchen has all the gadgets that were used to prepare food at that time. It is fascinating. In an adjoining building, there is a Museum of American Art, and it has an exhibition that has just enough to remind you how much you miss artistic expressions, but not enough to satisfy your taste in art. You go from art to everyday life in Kosovo. You walk around its open-air market, watching people do their shopping and vendors make their sales. As you walk, you come across a war memorial built with 2,145 medals to honor Albanian women who were abused during the war in Kosovo. The traces and the pain of the war are recent and very present. You decide to go out to the edges of the city and you find a pantheon that only intensifies the image of death in your mind. There are Albanian flags everywhere. Winston Churchill once said that the Balkans produce more history than they can consume. Perhaps that is the problem. Macedonia supports Serbia, Albania supports Kosovo, division and pain on both sides. But for you, who are getting to know all these regions, people have more things in common than things that divide them. There are abrasive topics that you prefer to leave out. Instead, you enjoy the friendliness and hospitality of Macedonians, Serbs, Albanians, and Kosovars. You now cross Mother Teresa Square, go past a statue of Skanderberg, and continue until you reach the University of Pristina. That strange building is the library of the National University of Kosovo. The brutalist style fascinates you, although it is not to everyone's taste. You go in looking for book recommendations. In each country where you travel, you look for a good book to read whose story unfolds in the country where you are or is by an author from that country. Despite the love that the people of Kosovo have for the United States, they do not speak much English. But eventually, you make yourself understood and come out with a list of recommendations. Almost all of them are Albanian authors, which reinforces more that almost the entire population of Kosovo are Albanians. You go to Mother Teresa Cathedral. It is austere, precisely imitating the austerity of the saint. The last place you visit is Thermokis. A building that was part of a power plant and was taken over by citizens. Currently, a collective organizes a wide variety of activities there, including concerts, gardening, and even projects to feed the homeless. That is a bit of what Pristina has, but it is not the only city in Kosovo.